Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete for everyone on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're inside WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now you can head over to any conversation where you want to delete the message for everyone. For example, I'll open up this group chat. You need to keep in mind that you cannot delete messages from others. Only if the message is sent by you, you will be able to delete it. So for example, I've sent this message hi over here. If I want to delete this message for everyone, I'll tap and hold on this message. And here at the top, you can see this delete icon. Tap on it. Now it will prompt you with three options, whether you want to delete for everyone, delete for me, or cancel. So in order to delete for everyone, you need to select this delete for everyone option over here. And there you go. The message is now deleted for everyone. So it's a very simple process of deleting messages for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.